Yep. Let's do a small garden tour. Yay! So, guys, I want to show you something. These tomato plants are still holding on. I'll keep holding on. Okay? And look at these back here. Got the nerve to have some flowers. Do they know it's fall? Felicia, why you haven't taken them down? Because I don't want to, child. I mean, as long as I got nice weather, I'm going to leave my plants. Yes, I am. Look at them flowers. So, if they can hang with me till first frost, that's what we going to do. Yes, they're falling down and all that kind of stuff. It's okay. It's the end of the season for these. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I'll keep holding on. Look at my Honeycrisp apple tree. You better go, girl. You better go. Lord, look at that spearmint. That harvest. Yeah. This is where my cucumbers was in those big old sunflowers. And child, look at this. It's still in the ground. I can't even get it out. I ain't gonna worry about it either. That right there is a cabbage. And that right there is a cabbage. And look at my garlic bouquets. Yes, that's a pokeweed. This is a municipal plant. And it brings beautiful flowers that you can make tea out of, guys. And my marigold is actually a bush now. It don't want to go nowhere either, so it can stay. It can stay. Okay, there go my collards, y'all. I'm getting ready to stick those shallots all around it. Yeah. Look at this disaster. I've been begging my husband to come out here and help me to pick up my tomato plants. You know, he'd be acting like he's so busy. He'd be like, I gotta go make some money, Felicia. You gotta go shopping, Felicia. You know, he DoorDash. We get money every day. It's okay. It's okay. Look at them. Harvest time. It's definitely time for some harvesting. Okay. Like I say, don't be talking about me for keeping my tomato plants up. I started late. Sure. So some of these guys are just now getting down. Okay? And we are going to let them continue to do what they do, because if God keeps giving us wonderful weather like we've been having, Felicia don't let her garden go. There go my lemon tree that I started from seeds, Bookie. You better go. Look at that. It's just awesome, guys. See, this is what I was talking about. My peppers are just now coming. You see? I mean, they just now coming. I'm going to leave my plants look good. My plants look good. I don't care what nobody say. They stand. That's a carrot, y'all. That's a carrot. They look like they doing good, too. You know. Now, this asparagus, no, it's sad as ever. But this is my first year actually growing it. So we will have some growing pains. That's what they say. You got to let it get established. Okay? Yes. You see, it's still flowering. I don't know what's wrong with my plants. They just acting like it's still summer. I'm trying to tell you. And guys, you know I showed you my volunteer over there, my papaya volunteer plant right there. Well, as I was looking around, there are two more. One there and one there. Okay, guys, the video is approaching 5 minutes, and ain't nobody gonna keep watching. But let me show you something else. This pepper plant is so tall, guys. Still got a flower, but it never branched, like, you know, got side branches and stuff like that. I don't know why. But I'll be back to show you this half of the garden in a minute. Peace.